SwitchSource is a company manufacturing a new type of smart grid equipment. We think of distribution utilities as collections of distribution circuits. It's how they deliver power to customers. That distribution circuit is about 5 to 10 miles of this 3-phase backbone. They run what's known as a single-phase lateral out to those customers. Something like 50, 60, 70 miles of single-phase laterals. It is very difficult for the utilities to balance all 3 phases equally when they have all these different single-phase taps.
So this is a device that we call the Phase EQ. We liken this to a 3-lane highway. What we are doing is introducing a tool that acts as like a dynamic interchange point on the grid so that the traffic can more freely reconfigure and rebalance. And what you're left with is a more balanced and reliable system, but also as much as 25% more capacity.
SwitchSource was selected as this year's Innovation Celebration Startup of the Year because they're at a critical point in their journey. This company was licensed technology from the university 10 years ago. They've got roughly $80 million in committed contracted revenue for a total of 240 units that are expected to be deployed into the field in the next few years. So we're incredibly excited about what this technology can mean to the utility industry, and they're really at that inflection point of the hockey stick growth to really show the world the power of the solution.
Michigan State had come to us with the IP, with a good idea of how a licensing structure would work, customers, potential funding source, technology, all ready for us. They were very invested in our success. They did a tremendous amount of handholding, including going back and looking at the license with us, many times afterwards.
To be recognized in this way, to be able to celebrate the company's progress to this point, looking back and knowing how far we've come, all that we've endured along the way, it's been definitely a roller coaster. But having been able to start that journey with MSU and now being recognized as one of those companies that they see as being a success is something that I am very proud of.
Charlie and Lane, it has been a sincere pleasure getting to know you guys over these past months. Keep up the amazing work. I know you have an amazing pipeline of additional products ahead, and I can't wait to see SwitchSource become a household name for utility companies all around the world.